This is the view from Hart Springs here in Florida. This is a great place to visit. I love it out here listening to the birds and all the nature sound on a beautiful sunny day. It was great for you to stop by. Hope you stop by again soon. Have a great day.